Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Zoom for meeting notes and follow-ups easy tutorial step-by-step. Log into your Zoom account using your credentials. Navigate to the settings section located in the left sidebar of the homepage. Once in settings, click on the recording tab. Scroll down to the cloud recording section. Ensure that cloud recording is enabled for your account. Next, find the option labeled automatically record meetings. Choose the setting that works best for you, either in the cloud or on my computer. Select the meeting you wish to set up for follow-ups. Look for the Advanced Options link while scheduling the meeting. In the Advanced Options, enable the Automatically Send Meeting Notes feature. Enter the email addresses of participants you want to include in the follow-up emails. Adjust any additional settings you desire for the meeting notes. Once finished, click Save to finalize your meeting setup. You'll now receive automated meeting notes and follow-ups after each session. Return to your dashboard to confirm that your settings are saved. Make sure to test this feature with a small meeting first to ensure that everything works as planned. Now you're ready to have seamless follow-ups and organize meeting notes with Zoom. This method makes it easier to keep track of action items and discussions. Consider scheduling regular meetings to maximize the benefits of this feature. You can also revisit the recording settings at any time to make adjustments as needed. With this setup, your meetings will be more productive and organized. Enjoy the efficiency that comes with automated meeting notes and follow-ups. That's all there is to it. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.